I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 15, that is grandfather's loves to python. So let's begin with this lesson. Grandfather never could resist buying unusual pets, and one day he paid a snake charmer in the bazaar 4 rupees for the young 4-foot python that was on display to a crowd of eager boys and girls. So grandfather क्या थे, बहुत ज्यादा अनयूजुअल पेट्स को बाय करते रहते थे। एक दिन उन्होंने क्या करा, स्नेक चार्मर को क्या दे दिया, बाजार में 4 रुपीज दे दिए। किसके लिए? 4-foot python के लिए। दैट वाज ऑन डिस्प्ले, जो डिस्प्ले थे क्राउड में, so of eager boys and girls. So grandfather impressed the gathering. Grandfather impressed with gathering से by slinging the python over his shoulder and walking home with it. अपने shoulder पे sling करके python को घर आ गई। The first to see them was Toto. First क्या था? Toto था swinging from a branch of the jackfruit tree. जो क्या था? swing कर रहा था कहाँ से? branch से jackfruit tree के। One look at the python. एक ने पाइथन को देखा, एंशियंट एनिमी ऑफ हिज रेस, एंड ही फ्लेड इनटू द हाउस, और फ्लेड कर गया हाउस में, स्क्वीलिंग विद फ्राइट। द नॉइज ब्रॉट ग्रैंडमदर, इस नॉइज से क्या हुआ? ग्रैंडमदर आ गई। onto the veranda where she nearly fainted, वो डर के मारे फेंट हो गई, बेहोश हो गई। एट द साइड ऑफ पाइथन कर्ल्ड अराउंड ग्रैंडफादर्स थ्रोट, जो कर्ल था कहाँ पे? ग्रैंडफादर के थ्रोट पे, वो देख के बेहोश हो गई। It will strangle you to death. It will strangle you to death. ये तुम्हें death तुम्हारा strangle कर देगा। She cried, get rid of it at once. इसको इससे छुटकारा पाओ। Nonsense, said grandfather. Grandfather ने बोला nonsense. He is only a young fellow. ये छोटा सा fellow है। He will soon get used to us. ये हमारे से used to हो जाएगा। He might indeed, said grandmother. ये नहीं होगा। But I have no intention of getting used to him. और ना मेरा कोई intention है इससे used to होने का। And you know, your cousin Mabel is coming to stay with us tomorrow. तुमको पता है, हम तुम्हारा cousin हमारे साथ रहने के लिए आ रहा है कल। She will leave the Mabel आ रही है, तुम्हारी cousin आ रही है Mabel हमारे साथ रहने के लिए कल। She will leave the minute she knows that there is a snake in the house. वो एक मिनट में घर छोड़ के चली जाएगी, उसको पता चला कि घर में snake है। Well, perhaps we should show it to her as soon as she arrives. तो हम उसको दिखा देंगे कि जब वो आएगी। Said grandfather, who did not look forward to the visits of relatives. जो क्या उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया कि जो visits पे relatives के, you will do no such things, said grandmother. Grandmother ने बोला तुम ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं करोगे। Well, I can't let it loose in the garden. मैं इसको गार्डन में नहीं छोड़ सकता। It might find its way into the poultry house. ये अपना रास्ता poultry house में ढूंढेगा। And where would we be? So, oh, how irritating you are, grumbled grandmother. Grandmother बोला तुम कितने ज्यादा irritating हो। Lock the things in the bathroom. Lock कर दो इसको bathroom में. Then go out and find the man you bought it from. और फिर जाके उसे मैन को ढूंढ के लाओ जिससे तुमने इसको खरीदा है। And get him to come here and collect it. और उसको बोलो कि यहाँ पे आए और इसको कलेक्ट करके इसको लेके जाए यहाँ से। And so in the awestruck presence, grandfather took the python. Grandfather ने python को लिया into the bathroom and placed it in the tub, और उसको टब में रख दिया। After closing the door on it, he gave me a sad look. Door close करने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे sad look दिया। Perhaps grandmother is right this time. पर grandmother तो ठीक थी इस बार। He said, after all, we don't want the snake to get hold of Toto. हम नहीं चाहते कि वो snake पकड़ ले Toto को, and it's sure to be very hungry. और ये पक्का भूखा होगा। He hurried off to the bazaar to look for snake charmer. भाग गई snake charmer को ढूंढने, but he had gone for about 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे पहले चला गया था। While grandmother paced up and down the veranda, वो देखती रही जो veranda से नीचे। When grandfather returned, जब grandfather आए looking crestfallen, we knew that he had not been able to find the snake charmer. हम जब पहचान गए कि इनको snake charmer नहीं मिला। Well, then kindly take it away yourself, said grandmother. Grandmother ने बोला इसको अपने आप खुद लेके जाओ यहाँ से। Leave it in the jungle across the river bed. जंगल में छोड़िए across the river beds. और नदी के किनारे छोड़िए। All right, but let me feed it first. चलो मैं इसको पहले खिला देता हूँ कुछ। Let me feed it first, said grandfather, and went into the bathroom. वो bathroom में followed in a single file by myself, grandmother, and cook and gardener. कौन था? grandmother थी, cook था, gardener थे। Grandfather opened the door. Grandfather ने door खोला and step into the room. जैसे ही वो रूम में गए, I peeped round his legs. मैंने उनके legs के पास देखा, while the others stayed well behind. और थोड़े पीछे खड़े रहे और लोग. We could not see the python anywhere. हमें python कहीं भी नहीं मिला. He is gone, announced grandfather. Grandfather ने बोला कि वो चला गया है. He could not have gone far, said grandmother. Grandmother ने बोला वो ज्यादा दूर नहीं गया होगा. Look under the tub. टब के नीचे देखो. We look under the tub. हमने टब के नीचे कर देखा, but python was not there. But python वहाँ पे नहीं था. Then grandfather went to the window. इसके बाद grandfather window पे गए. We left it open, he said. हमने विंडो खुली छोड़ दी थी. He must have gone this way. वो इस विंडो से होके बाहर गया होगा. A careful search was made of the house. एक careful search हुई पूरे घर में. The kitchen, the garden, the stable, and the poultry shed. But the python could not be found anywhere. But python कहीं भी नहीं मिला. He must have gone over the garden walls. वो garden walls से गया होगा, said grandfather. He will be well away by now. So I certainly hope so, said grandmother. Grandmother कह रही मैं hope करती हूँ कि वो चला गया हो यहाँ से with a look of relief. Aunt Mabel arrived the next day for 3-week visit. Aunt Mabel आ गई next day 3 week की visit के लिए. For a couple of days, grandfather and I were a little worried in case the python made another appearance. हाँ, grandfather में थोड़े worried थे कि python दोबारा ना आ जाए. But on the third day when he did not show up, but 3 दिन बाद जब वो नहीं दिखा हमें, we felt sure that he had gone for good. हमने feel किया कि वो चला गया अच्छे के लिए. अच्छा हुआ वो चला गया. And then towards evening we were startled by a scream from the garden. हमें एक चिल्लाने की आवाज आई garden से. Second later, Aunt Mabel came flying up the veranda step. वो मतलब veranda step से भागी भागी आई, looking as though she had seen the devil. हमें लगा कि उन्होंने devil को देख लिया है. On the guava tree, she gasped. उन्होंने बोला guava tree पे. He was reaching for a guava. I was reaching for a guava when I saw it staring at me. मैं guava के ढूंढ तक जा रही जब मैंने देखा वो तो मेरे पे stare कर रहा है. The look in its eyes as though it would eat me alive. ऐसे look से कि वो मुझे खा लेगा, जिंदा खा लेगा. Calm down, my dear, urged grandmother. Grandmother ने बोला calm down हो जाओ. Tell us what did you see? हमें बताओ क्या देखा तुमने? A snake, sobbed Aunt Mabel. एक snake देखा. A great constrictor, एक बड़ा सा constrictor. It must have been 20 feet long. वो पक्का 20 feet long होगा. On the guava tree. Its eyes were terrible. उसकी eyes terrible थी. And it looked at me in such a queer way. वो ऐसे queer way में मुझे देख रहा था. My grandparents exchanged glances and grandfather said. एकदम से grandparents ने एक दूसरे की तरफ देखा. Grandfather ने बोला, I will go out and kill it. मैं बाहर जाऊंगा उसको मार दूंगा. Taking hold of an umbrella. उन्होंने umbrella पकड़ा. He went to the garden. वो garden में गए. But when he go to the guava tree, the python had gone. जब वो guava tree पे गए, python जा चुका था. Aunt Mabel was much frightened at way. Aunt Mabel बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई. I said hush. I said grandmother. Grandmother ने बोला hush. We must speak of our aunt in that way. We must not speak. हमें ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए अपने grandmother, father, अपनी aunt के लिए. But her eyes were alive with laughter. So after this incident, the python began to make a number of appearances. इसके इंसिडेंट के बाद python began मतलब उसने बहुत से number of appearances दिए, always at the most unexpected place. Unexpected places पे आता था. The hunt continued. लोग बाग ढूंढते रहे उसको. One morning I saw the python curled up in the dressing table. मैंने देखा वो dressing table पे curled up है, gazing at his own reflection. वो अपने आप को देख रहा है mirror में. I went for grandfather. By the time we returned to the room, the python had moved on. तो मैं grandfather के पास गया. जब हम लोग आए grandfather को लेके, python जा चुका था. He was seen in the garden, and once cook saw him crawling up the iron ladder to the roof. एक बार garden में देखा, एक बार cook ने उसे iron ladder पे चढ़ते हुए देखा, roof पे. Then we found him on the dressing table a second time. फिर से हमने उसे second time dressing table पे देखा. Admiring him in the mirror. वो अपने आप को admire कर रहा था mirror में. Evidently he was fascinated by his own reflection. वो fascinate हो गया था अपनी reflection से. All the attentions he getting has probably made him conceited, said grandmother. Anyway, now we know his weakness, said grandfather. Grandfather ने बोला हमें उसकी weakness पता चल गई. Are you trying to be funny, said grandmother. क्या तुम funny होने की कोशिश कर रहे हो grandfather? Grandmother ने बोला the python is becoming vain, so it should be easier to catch him, explained grandfather. So grandfather sets about preparing a large cage. उन्होंने एक बड़ा सा large cage बनाया with a mirror at the end one end, जिसमें एक mirror था एक end में. In the cage he left a juicy chicken. Cage में क्या छोड़ा उन्होंने? Juicy chicken छोड़ा and several other tasty things. The opening was fitted up with a trap door. Opening किससे fitted था? Trap door से. Aunt Mabel had already left by the time we set up the trap. Aunt Mabel जब तक जा चुकी थी जब तक उन्होंने trap set करा. But we had to go on with the project because we could not have the python prowling about the house indefinitely. So हमें पर फिर भी python को तो पकड़ना ही था. Aunt Mabel चली गई. ये हमने ऐसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते थे उसे इधर उधर वो प्रॉल करते हुए. So a python bite is not a poisonous but it can swallow a live monkey. उसकी bite poisonous नहीं होती but वो swallow कर सकता है एक live monkey को. And it can be risky playmate for a small boy. So for a few days nothing happened. कुछ दिन कुछ नहीं हुआ. And then I was leaving for school once. जब मैं स्कूल के लिए जा रहा था one morning I saw python in the cage. मैंने python को केज में देखा. He had eaten everything left out for him. उसने सब चीज खा ली थी जो उसके लिए छोड़ी गई थी. And was curled up in front of the mirror. Curled up तक हमें mirror के front में with something that resembled a smile on his face. जिससे उसके face पे smile आ रही थी. If you can imagine python smiling, अगर आप imagine कर सकते हो python को smile करते हो तो imagine करो. I lowered the trap door gently. मैंने trap door को lower कर दिया but the python took no notice of me grandfather. तो python ने मेरी तरफ नहीं देखा. Grandfather and gardener put the cage in a tonga. उन्होंने grandfather और gardener ने टोंगा में रखा केज को and took it across the river bed और उसे ले गए river bed पे. Opening the trap door, they left the cage in the jungle. उन्होंने trap door को open करके जंगल में छोड़ दिया. When they went away, the python had made no attempt to go out. जब उन्होंने वो रास्ता बना दी, python ने बाहर निकलने की कोशिश नहीं की. I didn't have the heart to take the mirror away from him. मेरे में दिल नहीं था कि उससे mirror ले लूं. Said grandfather. It's the first time I have seen a snake fall in love. मैंने पहली बार देखा snake को fall होते हैं love में. So this story is given by Ruskin Bond. So that's all for this story. I hope you all like the explanation of the story. Thank you and have a great day.